Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Gcash as a payment method in Shopee. You need a verified Gcash account with a sufficient balance. It needs an updated Shopee app installed on your device. Shopee account logged in and ready for checkout will be needed. It needs a reliable internet connection. To add Gcash, open the Shopee app and go to Me and select My Payment Options. Now, tap Add a new payment method and select Gcash. Enter your Gcash number, then log in to your Gcash account. Authorize Shopee to link and use Gcash for payments. Make sure your Gcash has enough funds before placing an order. Shopee may require OTP verification for secure linking. Refunds from canceled orders will usually be returned to your Gcash wallet. Keep your Gcash and Shopee accounts secure with PIN and strong passwords. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.